Every night, billions of people close their eyes and sleep. But have you ever stopped to wonder, where does the word sleep come from? How old is it, and what did it mean to the people who first used it? In this video, we're exploring the fascinating history of the word sleep, a word as ancient and essential as the act itself. The word sleep in English comes from the Old English sharpen and slap. In those early days, it meant what it still does, to rest in a state of unconsciousness, but Old English didn't invent it. It came from Proto-Germanic, where the verb slepen was used across many ancient languages. If you speak Dutch, you'll recognize slapen. In German, it's schlafen. These are linguistic cousins, and they all come from the same root. Even deeper, we reach the Proto-Indo-European root sleb, which likely meant to be slack, loose, or weak. That's fascinating. Our ancestors didn't think of sleep as rest. They thought of it as a kind of physical loosening or giving way. In ancient cultures, sleep and death were deeply connected. In Greek mythology, Hypnos was the god of sleep and his twin brother, Thanatos, the god of death. Sleep was seen as a cousin of dying, a temporary state of unconsciousness where the soul wandered elsewhere. Even today, we say someone is in eternal sleep. We call cemeteries places of rest. The connection between sleep and death runs deep even in our language. One of the coolest things about sleep is how little it's changed. Some words evolve beyond recognition over centuries, but sleep has remained remarkably steady. From slap to sleep, the core spelling and sound held strong across 1,000 years. It's comforting, right? The act of sleep hasn't changed, and neither has the word. It's been a daily part of human life for millennia, so how do other languages express sleep? In Latin, it was dormire. That's where we get words like dormant or dormitory. In French, dormir. In Spanish, dormir. In German, schlafen. In Dutch, slapen. In Hindi, it's sona. In Japanese, neru. Even though the words sound different, they all capture the same universal experience: rest, renewal, and retreat from the waking world. The word sleep has also made its way into dozens of expressions. Sleep on it meaning take time to think. Lose sleep over it meaning worrying. Let sleeping dogs lie, don't stir up trouble. Put something to sleep, calm, or end it. Don't sleep on it, a modern slang way to say don't ignore something great. These idioms show how sleep represents more than rest. It's tied to thought, peace, danger, and even indecision. Modern science has revealed how complex sleep really is. REM cycles, brain waves, memory consolidation. It's a biological symphony every night. And yet, our ancestors instinctively knew sleep was powerful. They may not have had neuroscience, but their words captured its mystery. What began as a word for being slack or weak now connects to one of the most important things for our health. So what have we learned? The word sleep is ancient, unchanged, and deeply rooted in our history, from myths and metaphors to modern science. It tells a story not just of language, but of humanity itself. Thanks for watching. If this word's journey surprised you, give the video a like, subscribe for more word histories, and let me know in the comment, what word should we explore next? Until then, rest easy.